Good day everyone, I Cadet Valenton Jake Aaron. Today we'll be taking about how to announce distress, urgency, and safety message. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is Lone Star, Lone Star, Lone Star. Call sign Delta Romeo Charlie 57. MMSI 2351-04829. Position latitude 12 degree 34.5 minutes north. Longitude 045 degree 12.7 minutes east. My vessel is on fire. I require immediate assistance. Pan. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is White Star, White Star, White Star. Call sign Bravo Golf Echo 72. A large fishing vessel is adrift in busy shipping lane. Position latitude 36 degree 45.6 minutes north. Longitude 122 degree 12.4 minutes west. Potential collision hazard to nearby vessels. Vessel in position. Take alternate action immediately. Over. Security, security, security. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is Blue Horizon, Blue Horizon, Blue Horizon. Call sign Charlie Hotel Tango 104. Submerged object reported in position 28 degree 15.5 minutes north, 016 degree 30.2 minutes west. Ships in the area are advised to navigate with caution. Out.